kids! Today, we're going on a colorful adventure to discover some amazing fruits. We'll be doing a speed paint of each fruit, and you'll have to guess its name. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first fruit is red and crunchy. Can you guess what it is? It's an apple. Apples are so yummy and good for you. You can eat them whole or make delicious apple pie. Look at this fruit. It's long and curved and yellow in color. Do you know what it is? It's a banana. Bananas are sweet and soft. They give you lots of energy to play and have fun. This fruit is bright and orange. Can you tell what it is? It's an orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. They help keep you healthy and strong. These little round fruits grow in bunches. Do you know their name? They're grapes. Grapes can be red, green, or purple. They make a tasty snack. This fruit is small, red, and has tiny seeds on the outside. What could it be? It's a strawberry. Strawberries are sweet and juicy, perfect for a treat. This fruit is tropical and so sweet. It's yellow and sometimes orange. What is it? It's a mango. Mangoes are delicious and great for smoothies. Look at this spiky fruit. Can you guess its name? It's a pineapple. Pineapples are juicy and have a unique taste. They remind us of sunny beaches. This fruit is big, green on the outside, and red inside. What could it be? It's a watermelon. Watermelons are perfect for hot days because they are so refreshing. Here's a fruit that's green and shaped like a teardrop. Do you know it? It's a pear. Pears are sweet and crunchy, just like apples. This fruit is soft and fuzzy on the outside. Can you guess its name? It's a peach. Peaches are juicy and sweet. They're perfect for summer snacks. This fruit is small and can be purple or red. What could it be? It's a plum. Plums are sweet and sometimes a little tart. They're fun to eat. tiny red fruits. Do you know what they are? They're cherries. Cherries are sweet and juicy. You can even put them on top of your ice cream. These little blue fruits are very small. Can you guess their name? They're blueberries. Blueberries are tiny, but packed with flavor. They make a great snack or can be added to your cereal. This fruit is red and made of lots of little bumps. Do you know it? It's a raspberry. Raspberries are sweet and sometimes a bit tart. Yum! This fuzzy brown fruit has a bright green inside. What could it be? It's a kiwi. Kiwis are sweet and tart. They look so pretty when you slice them. This yellow fruit is very sour. Can you guess its name? It's a lemon. Lemons are great for making lemonade and adding flavor to foods. Here's a small green fruit. What could it be? It's a lime. Limes are sour, just like lemons, and they make foods taste zesty. This tropical fruit is orange inside and has black seeds. Do you know its name? It's a papaya. Papayas are sweet and soft. They are perfect for a tropical treat. This fruit can be green or yellow and has a pink inside. What could it be? It's a guava. Guavas are sweet and full of flavor. They make tasty juices. This small fruit has a rough red shell. Do you know its name? It's a lychee. Lychees are sweet and juicy inside. They're a special treat. Wow! We've discovered so many amazing fruits today. But guess what? There are still more fruits to explore. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll discover even more delicious fruits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out. See you next time, little friends.